Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, June 18th. The essay from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening I'm going to read for you today is titled Staying Porous. After the reading, as always, we'll do a short meditative reflection around it. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a line from Rainer Maria Rilke. Be patient toward all that is unsolved in your heart, and try to love the questions themselves. Be patient toward all that is unsolved in your heart, and try to love the questions themselves. I am jogging in the city on a hot summer day, and my legs are in a rhythm, carrying me without much guidance through small crowds, past roses and bus stops. I begin to think about my struggle not to give myself away. When growing up, I had to check myself at the door like a coat in order to relate to others. Often, I had to pretend to be less than I was in order to be loved. For years, I would shelve my light to take care of others. Like a fireman, I dropped whatever I was doing to rush to the rescue. For so long, the choice seemed only to stay open and lose myself, or to close up and cut others off. But today, while running freely through the streets, close to others but not entangled, I realize I am learning after many attempts that I can stay close and porous, caring and present, without holding everyone's anxiety and without going underground. At least I can try. I am dripping and breathing like a small horse. It's clouding over. It begins to rain slightly. I move through the beautiful people and ask for a hot dog with mustard and sauerkraut. As I chew the simple food, rain from the sky meets rain from my body. And in the rain, sweating, the tang of sauerkraut on my lip, I feel joy. Others shuffle by. Today, there is no room for worthlessness. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keep your breath natural, nice and soft. Remember, there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing, just like there is nothing you need to fix about yourself. This breath is enough. You are enough. This moment is enough. See if this gives you a sense of spaciousness and freedom in your whole being. And allow all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring to mind a time when you lost yourself completely in another's problem. How did that feel? In your body, in your mind, in your heart? And now bring to mind the time when you maintained your sense of self, but cut off another completely in order to do so. How did that feel? Now try to let the two feelings coexist: compassion and sense of self. Inhale, sense of self. Exhale, compassion. Inhale, sense of self. Exhale, compassion. Inhale, sense of self. Exhale, compassion. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to you. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know I am worthy. May I remember I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. How can you let compassion for others and your own sense of self coexist peacefully? If necessary, repeat the simple breathing mantra. Inhale, sense of self. Exhale, compassion. And see if it helps you maintain your sense of self while being compassionate in the world around you. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.